Hey everyone, this is Alex
And this is Rana.
from Workato's product marketing team. Our product and engineering teams have stayed busy accelerating the development of the Workato platform to help your teams automate more, connect more, and deliver more for your business. For the month of December, we'll review some really exciting updates that help you build, manage, and run automations far more effectively.
Formulas are powerful, but it can be challenging to find the right formula to use and use it correctly. The new guided experience makes it easy for you to discover the right formulas with recommendations, categorization, and filtering for data type compatibility. You can also reference the elaborate example set and quick tips to use formulas the right way.
Scheduler is a popular trigger that makes it easy to run automations that are time-based. What does that mean? Well, you might want to run a backup job every night at 11 p.m., or publish a CSV file to an SFTP server at 5 p.m. on Friday every week, or execute a data pipeline that runs every 35 minutes. Before, the intervals were preset to 5 or 15 minutes, but now you can schedule a custom interval that fits your business needs. You could trigger jobs as frequently as every minute for low latency. Now, the scheduler also supports cron expressions for defining custom schedules. You get all the power and flexibility of cron and an easy way to visualize the schedule to validate that the expression will create the schedule you intend.
When automating business processes, it is common to wait for dependent processes or events to complete before kicking off the next series of actions. Previously, that could be done with the wait action in Workato, but the wait times were predefined. With the latest updates, you can define precise intervals such as 1 minute, 2 hours, 3 days, or any others that fit your exact needs.
So, if you're a marketer and you're using LinkedIn ad campaigns and especially LinkedIn lead gen forms, I promise you can consider the latest updates to the LinkedIn connector your new favorite holiday gift. Now, you can improve campaign ROI by easily syncing your LinkedIn leads with your favorite CRM, marketing operations, or automation platform, or any other business application in just seconds. Compatibility with hidden and custom fields means you can track lead source or other critical information needed by your sales team. And the value doesn't stop there. You can also use Workato to enrich your leads and route them to your reps almost instantly. And finally, I saved the best for last. You can use Workato to automatically sync your spend and campaign performance data from LinkedIn with the revenue data in the CRM to measure ROI in real time and optimize your spend. The time has finally come to say goodbye to manual exporting and importing of CSV files.
Now, with the HTTP connector, you can integrate any of the 175 AWS services into your Workato recipes. Just select your service from the drop-down menu, follow the helpful guide in the HTTP connector wizard, and integrate any AWS service of your choice.
Before this newest update to Workbot for Microsoft Teams, if you wanted a Teams user to receive an automated message, the user had to do something in Teams first. Actions like approval requests, opportunity reviews, Jira issue updates, and more required the user to start the workflow themselves in Teams. With the latest updates to Workbot for Teams, you can automatically push approval requests, incident reports, and other events from any business apps directly into Teams for any user in any channel. This opens up exciting possibilities for true and powerful automations with Microsoft Teams.
Need to create a War Room Slack thread at key moments for product stability? Or alert a set group of people in a single thread when certain usage thresholds are reached? Now you can do this and more with ease. Seamlessly automate messages and kickstart conversations in Slack with groups of people with the click of a button and a single recipe action.
That wraps it up for this month's updates. Check out our product hub at product.workato.com to stay updated with product updates, best practices, and upcoming webinars. Happy New Year, everyone!